everyone! Welcome back. Today is a very sunny day. Look at the sky. The sky is blue and clear. The sun is high in the sky. It is a warm afternoon. I am sitting in my green garden. Birds are flying in the air. They are singing sweet songs. The wind is blowing softly. I feel very good here. This is my favorite chair. I am sitting on this chair. There is a small table next to me. Look at that big tree over there. That is an apple tree. The tree has many green leaves and red apples. One big apple is hanging on a low branch. It looks very delicious. Oh, look! Who is coming out of the house? This is my best friend, Ollie. He is walking toward me. He has a smile on his face. He is wearing a blue shirt and black pants. Ollie says, "Good afternoon. What are you doing here?" I say, "I am just relaxing under the shade." Ollie sits down on a chair near me. He looks up at the tree. Ollie points his finger up and says, he holds the apple in his right hand. "Let's eat this together." I go inside the house and bring a small knife. I come back out into the garden. I put the red apple on the wooden table. I cut the apple into 4 small pieces. The apple is white and juicy inside. I give 2 pieces to Ollie. He says, "Wow, this is very sweet." And I take 2 pieces. Ollie eats a piece. We eat the apple and talk about our day. We clean the table and throw the seeds in the bin. Now, the sun is going down slowly. It is time to go back inside. Eating fresh fruit with a friend is always fun.